guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how we can set up a new Google Sheets document. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open your Google application on your laptop or PC. And here I have my Google opened. And the first thing we're going to do is click on this button. Then we can scroll down until we find Google Sheets. And this is the Google Sheets. Just tap on it. Then if we want to create a new Google Sheets document, we can simply click on this plus button. So just tap on it. Then right after you tap on the plus button, the Google Sheets document will be created. And you can rename the sheets. You can click on this option. Then I'm going to rename it as my file, like this. And you can start editing that Google Sheets. Alright guys, and that's how we can set up a new Google Sheets document on our laptop or PC. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.